This is what it looks like when the railroad loses a battle against Mother Nature. In the early morning hours of October 11th, 2020, this CSX train derailed in Lilburn, Georgia. Here's what much of Metro Atlanta was experiencing just hours earlier. Heavy rain from the remnants of Hurricane Delta pounded North Georgia. That rain likely washed out the tracks here, causing the derailment. According to the Gwinnett County Fire Department, immediately after it happened, 911 callers advised that the train's locomotives were on their sides and taking on water. First responders were able to get the crew out safely. Amazingly, the engineer and conductor only had minor injuries. Several of the rail cars ultimately caught fire, and emergency personnel decided to evacuate residents in the area. Gwinnett Fire says the blaze did involve hazardous materials and that their hazmat team was on the scene. These pictures, posted on their Twitter feed, show the aftermath of a very long night. Twisted metal, track destroyed, and locomotives on their sides. Fire crews confirmed 38 cars derailed. From the air, you can see there are two places where the train came off the tracks. It's unclear if the white substance on the ground is left over from the chemicals used to fight the fire, or if it spilled out of one of the rail cars. Whatever it wasn't slowing down the crews on the ground. By mid-afternoon, on the same day of the derailment, they were already hard at work trying to get things back to normal. Dump trucks were arriving with loads of gravel, and prefabricated track was standing by on trailers. Meanwhile, police officers and sheriff's deputies blocked off roads. This scene looks really bad, and it is, but it could have been a lot worse. Someone could have gotten seriously hurt or killed. Not much can stop a train, but this shows just how powerful Mother Nature can be.